Hello and welcome to a lesson. In this lesson, you will learn about number systems, recognize base of a number system, define number system with base 2, 5, 8, and 10. We will also learn how to convert a number from decimal system to a system with base 2, 5, and 8, and vice versa. So let's get started. Remember, it is important that binary numbers consist of only two digits, 0 and 1. This seems very inefficient and simple for us humans who are used to working in base 10. But for a computer, base 2 or binary is the perfect numbering system. This is because all calculations in a computer are based on millions of transistors that are either in an on position or an off position. So there we have it, 0 for off and 1 for on. We have a binary system. We study enumeration systems so that we can better understand our own enumeration system as well as binary system. Now, what actually is number system? A number system or numeration system consists of a set of basic symbols and some rules for making other symbols from them. The purpose being the identification of all numbers. In this lesson, we will learn about binary systems, base 5, octal, and decimal. Since computers store either 0 or 1, so when it comes to 0 or 1, we call it base 2 or binary. Since data is stored in bytes, so we call it base 5 and its range is from 0 to 4. When it comes to octal, we use it to shorten long binary numbers. When it comes to octal, we call it base 8 and its range is from 0 to 7. From 0 to 7 we have 8 digits, from 0 to 4 we have 5 digits, and from 0 to 1 we have 2 digits. And when it comes to decimal, so in decimal we call it base 10 and its range is from 0 to 9. From 0 to 9 we have 10 digits. Well, here is a tidbit for you. The tidbit is that how we differentiate between a number and a numeral. If you know the answer, write in the comment sections below. Now that you have learned about the number systems, about the different number systems, now let's see how they actually look like. For example, we have 5, 36, 931, and 2522, etc. All these numbers are formed with the help of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 digits. We can write these numbers as, for example, the first one we can write 5 is 5 into 10 raised to the power 0. Remember that 10 raised to the power 0 equals 1. Anything raised to the power 0 equals 1. For example, generally we will say it like x raised to the power 0 equals 1. So it will again become 5 multiplied by 1 equals 5. Let's take another example, that is 36. So 36 will become 30 plus 6, which will 30 can further split into 3 into 10 raised to the power 1 and plus 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0, which will give us again 3 multiplied by 10 equals 30 plus 6 equals 36. Another example could be 931. Let's split it. 931 will become 900 plus 30 plus 1, which will further get split into 9 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 3 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 1, which will further get split into will become 100, and 100 will become 100 into 9 will become 900 plus 3 into 10 will become 30, and of course this one, which will again become 931. Another example could be, example number 4 could be 2052 equals 2000 plus 50 plus 2. Let's split it further, which will become 2 multiplied by 1000 plus 5 into 10 multiplied by 2, which will become 2 into, we can write 1000 as 10 raised to the power 3 plus 5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 plus 2 raised multiplied by 10 raised to the power 0, which will again become 2005 2. It is clear from these examples that every whole number can be expressed as the sum of multiples of power of 10. In the same way, other bases like 5, 8, and 2 are used to represent numbers. Now there are 4 facts that we need to remember about the number system. The fact number 1 is a number system with base 2 is formed by 2 digits 0 and 1. Another fact is a number system with base 5 is formed by 5 digits that are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The third fact is a number system with base 8 is formed by 8 digits that are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And the last fact is a number system with base 10, we can also call it a decimal, is formed by 10 digits that are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's see how we can write numbers in different number systems. In binary number system, we can write numbers as 1, 0, 1, and we will write to the subscript as 2. This 2 will indicate that this is binary system. Another example could be 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 to the base 2. Again, this 2 will represent the binary number system. Another example could be 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, etc. and to the base 2, which will indicate that this is binary number system. Now let's see how we can write numbers in base 5. In base 5 we can write numbers as, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the base 5. This 5 will indicate that this is base 5. This could be example number 1. Example number 2 could be 4, 1, 0, 5, and 3 to the base 5. Again, this 5 will represent the base 5. Now we can write numbers in base 8, or we can also call it octal. octal system. Example number 1 could be 7 5 to the base 8. This 8 will indicate that this is octal number system. Another example could be 1023 to the base 8. Now the last number system, that is decimal, or we can also call it base 10. In base 10 we can write the numbers as 1 2 3 to the base 10, or we can also write it as 1 2 3. This will indicate that it is decimal system or base 10. Another example could be 5249 to the base 10, or we can also write it as 5249. This will also represent that the numbers this number is in decimal system or base 10. Alright guys, this is enough for this video. In the next video I will teach you how to convert number from decimal system to a system with base 2, 5 and 8 and vice versa. If you have any question in this video, please write down them in the comment section below, or else I will see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.